Welcome to LabsOnTrack, your online platform for IT and Datacom networking video courses. We have developed high-quality, efficient training designed to help you reach your learning goals. With over 300 video lectures, 64 realistic labs, and expert instruction backed by more than 20 years of experience, our recorded courses air online with quizzes, questions and answers, and lifetime access. Learn at your own pace. Start whenever you want and finish whenever you're ready. To discover our courses, visit LabsOnTrack.com. From the top menu, hover on Courses. Then click on All Courses. Scroll down to explore available courses or search by name, category, or level. Select your course to open its landing page, where you'll find the course curriculum, description, what's included, requirements, audience, and what you will learn. If you choose a paid course, click Add to Cart. Sign in with your username and password, or create a new account if you're not registered yet. Once signed in, open your cart and click Checkout to complete your purchase. We accept all major credit and debit cards and PayPal. All paid courses include access to download the software you'll need to build your own virtual labs. To discover available free courses, from the top menu, hover on Courses, then click on All Courses. Check Free Courses category to display available free courses. Select your free course and just click Enroll. You'll need to sign in or register for a free account to get started. Manage your account anytime from the top menu on LabsOnTrack.com page. Click on Account, then Enrolled Courses to access your learning dashboard and your enrolled courses. You'll also find downloads for your purchased courses, including files and lab guides for hands-on practice. To discover available labs, on LabsOnTrack.com page, click Labs. We've built realistic network labs for professionals, with full configurations and step-by-step guides you can use forever. At LabsOnTrack, we believe in making learning affordable. Click on Pricing from the top menu on LabsOnTrack.com page to see available pricing plans. Enjoy high-value training at a competitive price, with monthly or yearly access plans to all recorded courses. Thank you for being part of our learning community. We're excited to help you reach your learning goals.